Here at Euronics, we're proud to bring you something truly special: Blomberg appliances, a brand with over 130 years of heritage, blending German engineering with modern efficiency. Founded in 1883, Blomberg began as a family business in Germany, built on the foundation of precision, durability and innovation. Today, Blomberg continues that legacy, delivering energy-efficient, sleek and smart appliances designed for real homes and real life. Blomberg washing machines with spin-save technology that can save you up to 35% energy on everyday cycles. Blomberg heat pump tumble dryers that are more efficient with a full 3-year warranty. Blomberg ovens with AeroChef technology that ensures perfect air distribution for precise and consistent cooking results. Blomberg refrigeration with Vitamin Care Plus that preserves vitamins and helps keep your food stay fresher for longer. Whether you're cooking, cleaning or cooling, Blomberg appliances are built to make your life easier. It's quality you can trust, and Blomberg is only available here at Euronics. Blomberg, German design, Euronics exclusive. Discover the difference today.